Behind every donation is a person. The donors area under Charitable, then Donors, lists every supporter with their email, their lifetime giving, and how many gifts they've made. The donations column even splits paid from pending, so you can spot a gift that hasn't cleared yet. And donor type tells you at a glance whether someone gives one time or on a recurring basis. On the right, every donor has quick actions: edit, email, or delete. Click the email icon and you can message a supporter directly without ever leaving Charitable. You get a full editor with subject from name and body plus smart tags that personalize each message with the donor's name, their total giving, even their last gift. Need to narrow things down? The filter tool sorts your donors by when they joined, the campaigns they gave to, or just your favorites. An export sends the whole list to a CSV ready for your records or your mailing tool. Click any donor to open their full profile. At the top, you'll see their lifetime total, their giving this year, whether they're one-time or recurring, and a send email button. Scroll down and you can keep rich details on each person: their name, title, phone tags, even custom fields. We'll dig into editing all of that in another video. Below, a donor's whole history is organized into tabs. Single donations lists every one-time gift. Recurring shows their active donation plans. Campaigns are the fundraisers they've created or supported. Comments gathers the messages they've left with their gifts. And social logs and notes hold their linked profiles, their account activity, and your own private notes about this supporter. Your donors get their own view too. When a supporter logs in, the donor dashboard shows their giving overview and lets them update their profile, review past donations, and manage their details themselves. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.